Best home renovations to increase resale value. Raising the value of your house is always a wise investment, whether you expect to sell soon or simply want a more comfortable and modern living area. While some home improvements can be expensive, there are several that can have a major influence on the value of your property without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll look at some of the best house improvements to consider if you want to boost the value of your property. Kitchen renovations. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and it is one of the most significant places to consider when determining home value. Updating your kitchen can improve both its appearance and functionality. Consider cabinet refacing, changing countertops, and upgrading appliances as inexpensive kitchen renovations. Cabinet refacing is a less expensive option to completely replacing your cabinets and can give your kitchen a new, updated look. Updating your countertops to a more durable, aesthetically pleasing material, such as quartz or granite, can also make a significant difference. Finally, switching to energy-efficient appliances not only improves the look of your kitchen but may also save you money on your energy costs. Bathroom renovations. The bathroom, like the kitchen, is an important section of the home to consider when renovating. Remodeling your bathroom can raise the value of your home while also making it more pleasant and modern. Consider replacing obsolete fixtures such as faucets and shower heads, improving your shower or tub, and changing bathroom lighting. Upgrade your shower or tub to a more modern, spacious alternative for potential purchasers or your own enjoyment. LED fixtures, for example, can help you create a more energy-efficient and aesthetically beautiful space by modernizing your lighting. Curb appeal. Because the exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or guests will see, it's critical to design an appealing, welcoming space. Consider planting, exterior painting, and garage door replacement as low-cost curb appeal improvements. Small landscaping changes, such as planting new flowers or adding mulch to flower beds, can have a significant impact. Another low-cost makeover that can dramatically improve the appearance of your property is exterior painting. Finally, replacing an old or worn garage door can dramatically improve the appearance of your home's exterior. Energy-efficient upgrades. Energy-efficient renovations not only save you money on energy costs, but they can also increase the value of your property. Consider installing insulation, upgrading windows, and replacing your HVAC system as energy-efficient changes. Insulating your attic, walls, and basement can enhance the energy efficiency of your home and save you money in the long run. Updating to energy-efficient windows not only enhances your home's insulation but also gives it a more modern, appealing appearance. Finally, updating an old or inefficient HVAC system can help you save money on energy expenses while also providing a more comfortable living environment. Additional upgrades. In addition to the renovations mentioned above, there are various more improvements that might boost the value of your property. Updating your flooring to a more durable, modern alternative, such as hardwood or luxury vinyl, can dramatically improve the appearance of your home. A fresh coat of paint and updated trim may also make a significant impact in both appearance and value. Finally, completing your basement to add living space is a wise investment that can raise the value of your property. Raising the value of your property is a wise investment, and there are some low-cost and high-impact renovations to consider. Improving your kitchen and bathroom, enhancing exterior appeal, adding energy-efficient renovations, and making extra flooring, paint, and living space updates can all dramatically increase the value of your property. By investing in these improvements, you can create a more modern, pleasant living area while also raising the resale value of your property. If you are interested in finding out what your home is worth, contact Jack Jenkins with Samson Properties for a free home evaluation.